Another session of development commences. Last time I developed a little bit more in YouTube parse and created YouTube video group and YouTube video. YouTube video is simply a way of taking the URL, the page, and the comments page, putting them into one object, and that's a much better format for storing a group of videos than having individual pages, individual URLs, and individual comments pages. That would be a nightmare to deal with, so we bundle them all into one, and we're able to use those for video groups. There might be more things I can add to YouTube video, but at this stage I can't really think of anything that would be terribly useful. Except for maybe the thumbnail. But I'm still not too sure about that. Alright, so what we're going to do here is just comment this out because it's not in use. Build this, and then we're going to come back over here to YouTube Playlist Spy. What I need to do is hook up total number of video views and total number of comments to the classes that I've just created. So what I can do is first get into the correct class, which I am in. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to take this list of videos that's in this observable collection, and then you need to create a, I guess it could be just private. Oh, there's another thing I could do. I could add a method to YouTube playlist that will return the group of videos based on this playlist. It needs to be public. It should probably not be here. Make sure we get these things organized correctly in the code file. Okay. So here's a constructor. Here is a static method. So right here is where I want to create public YouTube video group. I guess I can just call it get YouTube video group. I don't know. We want to return a new, and we want to put in I need to create videos though. Okay. So let's do for each, just to get started. So to create a video, I need a URL page and comments page. Okay, this is something that definitely could be multi-threaded. So this could be an asynchronous method. So we can do this based on the video URLs list. That's right, it has to be a task. Okay, so for each of these videos, I need to create the page. And I'm going to need to add these to a list, though. It's got to be, I think it has to be a, like a thread safe list. Oh, hey, it's Roger Matty. Our thread safe collection. I really shouldn't be doing it like this because I've never used any of these before. I'm very inexperienced with concurrency. Like you got to use keywords like block and stuff like that. And I don't know nothing about that. So I guess blocking collection. Okay, I'm just gonna allow it to block for now. I gotta really do some investigation. So we're just gonna do this synchronously. All right, so to start with, I need a collection. It's got to be a list of actually, it's not a list of YouTube URLs. YouTube videos. And then for each video, we need to create the page. Or maybe I could just do it like this. here we go with my song, Starship Trooper. Alright, what do we want here? We need the page. I forgot to initialize this. Okay, so what we're doing here is we create an empty list, and then we can convert this into a link and see how that works. Now that's pretty ugly. Let's not do that. So what we're doing is we create a blank list, and then we iterate over the list of video URLs associated with this playlist. And then we attempt to create a YouTube video by adding the URL, the YouTube page, and we have to create a new one and a new comments page, and then we add that here, and then we return the list. So this is going to be very much blocking because it's downloading. Downloading for this instantiation, and it's downloading for this instantiation. Actually, I don't think it downloads straight away. I think to enable asynchronous, yeah, you gotta download YouTube page. Don't have to do that for a comments page. Actually, yes, you do. So it's probably best that I do that in here before I So it'd be good to be able to download all these pages at once, but I gotta figure out how to make that work with. Okay, then we can add that page. Keep doing TY instead of YT. Okay. It's going to be very slow, but tough shit. Okay, so here's where we need to create the new video group. Okay, so I'm going to set a breakpoint here. I'm going to see if it works. Let's see if Roger has got any playlists we can use to test with. Let's look at his liked videos. And it blocks because it's downloading. This is so terrible. What you should be able to do is load them one by one, and it progressively increases based on the progress, but I don't really know how to architect that. I really need to look into some examples, some real examples of asynchronous programming, because I'm not sure what the patterns are. Yeah, I can see it's downloading in my network meter. So slow, man. This is using the old tasks method. All right, finished. Exception of system format exception. I think it could be because there are some private videos here, and I'm not correctly handling that. Yeah, there's some private videos, deleted videos. Good to know that I'm not handling that situation correctly, where it's a private or a deleted video. So that's where the invalid stuff's coming from, because it's not able to get the number of comments properly. So I should have some handling for if it can't properly parse. Alright, so let's find a smaller playlist. More Angry Joe playlists, I guess. All these are live. Okay, it's done. System format exception still. To be fair, I haven't fully tested the comments thing. Let's see. Input string was not in a correct format. Okay, so the comments is not working here. Oh. This is the wrong URL to get to the comments page. That's a pretty dumb mistake. Okay. So for those 5 videos, the total comments is 4,944. The average is just under 1,000 per video. Total views is 1,024,388. Average is a little over 200,000 per video. URIs list is null. Or did I not set those up? Alright, well I can do this now. Okay, so let's finish this out. Yeah, I didn't get this set up correctly. Guess I can just do the long URI. Title is going to be on the page. Okay, what's going on here? Oh. Okay, let's see if this works. Takes time to download everything. Okay, so the playlist. Number of views, 15,864. Five videos. Last updated August 28th, which was a Friday. Total duration is 5.5 hours. I need to add the commas in here. Number of views on all these videos, just over 1 million. Number of comments, 4,944. So this is getting very close to what I need. I need to display the averages, but that shouldn't be too difficult to do. And this, I can fix this up so it displays titles instead. Is this bound to playlist videos? Yeah. Okay, we're going to change this to string. Just want to test this. I just want commas and don't want it to say 00. Oh, it doesn't work, but the names does work. Okay, so let's make this a lot bigger. tell you, man, this string formatting stuff's getting on my nerves. But I'll figure that crap out later. See if that'll work, maybe. Did not work. In fact, it truncated it, or it rounded it, or something. Okay, I guess that's just how it has to be. I don't want it to say 0, 0 perpetually. And they should be text. These should be text blocks as well. All right, so let's take a look at my own playlist. Gonna take a while for 44 videos. Should also have like a progress indicator. Okay, so what is the input type? Nothing. Okay, what is the current video? I think it might be that one of my videos has no comments, and so that was not parsed correctly. Yep, no comments on this video. If you have no comments, which my videos do, from time to time, then it blows up. And I'm being very sarcastic when I say this from time to time, because I have many videos with no comments, no interaction whatsoever. Maybe a few thumbs up from people that didn't even watch the full video. I'm just going to do a quick fix here. Oh. Doesn't actually return. Whoops. Wrong application. In 12 frames per second right now. Ah, damn. I screwed that up. It's supposed to be if it succeeds. Yeah, that's a better way to do it like that. Thank you, Resharper. Development can sometimes be a drag. Just saw a tweet. Tragedies bring out that millennial spirit. Okay, it's finished. Pretty cool to see all my videos in here. So then, let's take a look at it. Title is correct, owner is correct, number of videos is correct, number of times a playlist has been viewed is correct. Last updated September 13th, which was a Sunday. Total duration is 1 day, 20 hours, 13 minutes, 53 seconds. And I also want this to display in just hours rather than days. Total number of video views for all 44 videos, less than 1,000. 215 comments, so I guess that ain't bad. It's pathetic, really. I honestly didn't know it was going to be this low. 837 for 44 videos. It's also 44 hours. Can you imagine that? 44 hours of video and less than 1,000 views across all of it? What in the fuck? I'm just in shock right now. I mean, I wasn't doing the farewell extravaganza for people at YouTube. People at YouTube suck. But didn't know they suck that much. I mean, you play that many games, you expect, like, there's got to be something that's gonna catch someone's attention. Fuck. I'm disgusted right now. Alright, so that's going to be it. I guess I don't really need to... There's a lot more that needs to be done with this application to make it look better. I need to add the averages. I think that's enough for just development videos. The rest of it's... I mean, I accomplished the goal, basically. This is what I wanted to accomplish. This. And I accomplished it. Ah, shit, I didn't want to do that. Just stop it. Alright, so that's going to be it. August Farewell Extravaganza was very poorly received on YouTube, but I gotta admit, I was expecting poor reception. I wasn't expecting less than 1,000 across almost 2 days worth of content, though. With such a variety of videos as well. Screw it. I'm done with YouTube. I'm done with life. There's just nothing here for me. There's nothing I can find here that is going to work for me. I don't know what I did in some previous life that I had to be condemned to this. I'm done.